Wise, formerly TransferWise, is a popular platform for international money transfers. To receive money via ACH, automated clearinghouse, you need the correct routing number. For ACH transfers within the US, Wise uses a 9-digit routing number, typically 026735150, but it's crucial to verify this within your Wise account as it can vary. ACH is generally slower, taking 1 to 3 business days, but is often cheaper for transfers over $100. For faster international wires, Wise uses Swift BIC codes, like TRWIB-B2L for UK-based accounts, alongside IBANs or account numbers. Wire transfers are quicker, often instant or same day, but usually involve fees ranging from $10 to $50 depending on the amount and currency. Always double-check your specific routing number and Swift BIC code within your Wise account details to ensure successful transfers. To locate your Wise routing number and other essential account details, log into your Wise account either through the app or the website. Select the USD balance or the relevant currency for which you need the details. Navigate to the Account Details or Receive Money tab. Here you'll find the necessary routing number, account number, and SWIFT code if applicable. For ACH transfers, provide the routing number, account number, and your Wise account reference to the sender. For wire transfers, include the beneficiary bank, TransferWise Inc., and any required intermediary details. Remember that Wise employs security measures like two-factor authentication and complies with AML regulations to protect your transfers. Your funds are held in segregated accounts, ensuring they are not mixed with Wise's operational funds.